Alam kong nakakahiya itong ginagawa ko, pero kung hindi pa obvious sa'yo, I like you.
Gusto rin naman kita as a person.
Wala ka ba talagang gusto sa kanya? She's clearly in love with you.
Clothes, mahal ko si Luna. Luna.